All right, number 13 says, based on the pattern, what is the next figure in the sequence? So for my first thing I notice, it goes square, triangle, square, triangle, and the triangle's like upside down. Then it goes right side up, triangle, then it goes circle. And it looks like that pattern, is then repeated. Square, upside down triangle, square, upside down triangle, right side up triangle, circle. So after the circle, you're going to have a square with these beautiful lines that it has. That's your answer. All right, number 14 says, based on the pattern, what are the next two terms of the sequence? So I'm going to look at how I get from one term to the other. What I see, if I go from 4 to 8, we're going to add 4. If I go from 8 to 12, we're going to add 4. If I go 12 to 16, we're going to add 4. So we're going to add 4 to get us to 20. And then we'd add 4 to get us to 24. So your answer should be 20, 24. Ooh, I almost made 25, 24. And those are my answers.